Greg Puckett is a Southern West Virginia native and has worked to create healthier communities beyond local borders. For nearly 20 years as Executive Director of Community Connections, he has pushed for strong public policy, challenged the negative health outcomes, and embarked on revitalization efforts on a local, state, and national level.
Greg is a tireless, endless, don't know how he does everything he does. Sometimes I think there's two of him, maybe three of him, running around the country doing all the things that Greg does.
He may be a county commissioner, but don't call Greg a politician. Although he believes in strong public policy, this self-professed advocate is determined to make a difference. He has produced strategies to combat the addiction crisis and received honors from the National Association of Counties for Keep Mercer Clean, an environmentally friendly volunteer initiative.
Greg Puckett. He's someone that partners with people at every level of government, from the local level where he's organized coalitions to build safe, healthy, and drug-free communities, to the state level where he's made unbelievable environmental changes through legislation, and at the federal level where I first met Greg. Greg is one of my heroes because he's somebody that takes his passion and his purpose and he turns it in to power, but not power for himself, power to give, to use for other people to be able to be successful. Nothing that Greg Puckett does is for himself at all. It's all to better his community, his state, and our nation.
Despite his hectic schedule, he dedicates his personal time by producing artistic murals, coaching high school swimming, and touring with the Drug-Free All-Stars basketball team. He is truly a change agent.
Congratulations to my friend, Greg Puckett. He has been such a pioneer and hard worker for not just his region of Mercer County, where he's a county commissioner, but also the entire state in terms of meeting the challenge of the opioid and drug addiction issues. He's receiving the Gorin Award from the Rural Healthcare Association, which is a big deal. But there's nobody more deserving than Greg Puckett, and way to go. Very proud of you.
I want to thank the National Rural Health Association for allowing me to be the recipient of this year's Lewis Gorin Award. I wish we could all be together, but I also know that our communities need us now more than ever. And over the last few years, I've had a chance to work with some of the most amazing people from all over the country. And even though that statistics in rural America may not be the greatest, I would argue that our people are. And I say it all the time. If we can assess our local conditions, determine whether or not we have the capacity to do the work, plan strategies, implement activities, and at the end of the day, if we can evaluate our effectiveness and do it well, that working together, that we will be remembered for how we change the world. So, thank you to the National Rural Health Association. Stay safe, stay positive, and as I tell everyone, let's always keep working for healthier communities.